So the administration has kind of been undermining vaccines pretty much since the spring when RFK Jr. took office. But this week has seen even more escalation on that front. Firstly, the director of the Food and Drug Administration, so the FDA, the head of its vaccine division, told agency staff in a memo that an internal review had found that at least 10 children had died because of COVID vaccines, which sounds really scary. But basically what happened is that there is this kind of unverified reporting system. It's called VAERS in America. And basically what it is that it encourages doctors or patients or family members to upload anything that they think might be associated with a vaccine. It doesn't mean it is. So it's just encouraging people to upload it. It's not verified, and you should never use that system for drawing conclusions about whether a vaccine causes harm or not. But effectively what happened was that the administration, with its new kind of vaccine skeptic hat on, has gone, well, what one researcher called dumpster diving into that database to try and find scary numbers, and this is what they found. They've now used that as an excuse to further tighten vaccine regulations in the US. So they've made it harder to get approvals, they've promised to relook at annual booster policies and so on. And experts have said this is actually really dangerous because it will just make it much harder to approve new vaccines and even annual boosters. In parallel to all of that going on, the CDC, so the Centers for Disease Control, have appointed a new deputy director, who is another known vaccine skeptic. He used to be a senior health official in Louisiana during the pandemic. And when he was there, he refused to promote COVID vaccines and also said that COVID vaccines were dangerous. And I just want to kind of remind people that a Commonwealth Fund study from 2022 estimated that COVID vaccines prevented more than 18 million US hospitalizations and 3 million deaths and saved the country over $1 trillion. It's just so pernicious how they're just chipping away at the things that keep Americans healthy.